Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do some more working on this ZX14. I hate to admit it, but I actually want to finish this more than I want to finish my CBR and my R6. But I'm working on tuning these CBRs right here. I got a couple of them in here right now. It's a Jigsaw 1000, and then the projects back there. But yeah, I have a video coming with the R6 soon. I just have to finish. I have videos made of the CBR and the R6. I just haven't posted it yet because I like to have enough footage. You know, I don't want to just put just like a really short video with like really nothing, without me doing like, you know, enough, or at least in my mind what I think is enough. Yeah, I plan on getting this big girl ready to go out and put these 1000 cc owners in their place. I am still doing the wheel giveaway currently. For those of you who don't know, so you can visit my website at www.outspokentiger.com, and you can check out some of my merchandise, and you know, you can look at how to enter and all that good stuff. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let's dive into it. This bike look a lot smaller without the exhaust on there. Look how massive these stock mufflers are. And this is not even, and I know they look heavy, and they are heavy. Man, these exhausts got to be at least close to 50 pounds together. Like, these things are massive, and they, even just holding them, taking them off, they was freaking heavy. Look like a whole different bike already. Look how big this front fender is. This is a big fender. That's what the bike looked like without the fender on there. I'm gonna do a single rotor setup up front and upgrade the brake pads on it. I'm still trying to decide which rotor I'm gonna take off. Most likely gonna be the right. I heard the speed sensor, I think it's on the right side, so I might actually end up taking the left side off then. We'll have to see. But I still have a lot of stuff to strip off this thing. And as you see on the frame in this section right here, focus, it came off whenever the impact happened of the wreck, so I'm gonna have to change this frame out. I didn't want to have to do that, but that is gonna open up a lot of opportunity for me to really strip down and customize some things and do a lot of stuff that I wouldn't otherwise do. I'm looking over the harness, the wiring harness again, and it actually may be able to be salvaged because there's a few areas that Like it ripped along a lot of the spots, but a lot of the damage was to the actual plastic and electrical tape, which you can see like right here. This is a wire that's missing. This plug, and maybe these go to a few other things as well. And then I think in this one right here, that plug is okay. This plug, this plug, this plug, and you got, let's see if that, I'm not sure about this. This may or may not be. I feel like a lot of these plugs are good. This sensor, you can see it's one of the wires came off of it. So it's not too bad. Like even like inside of here, all of these are still intact. These are like, this probably go to the actual dash itself, considering this big the coupler is over it. That's usually to keep the water and stuff out. And then yeah, that's, I mean, the rest of everything else from this point on back is totally fine. All of the wiring there. So I might have to just pull up a stock wiring diagram or look at another one and see what it looked like, to maybe see what's actually missing off the wires, like down here, to see what's actually missing. And if it's something that can be replaced, I mean, we'll just have to see. If we have to see how involved it is. If it's like super involved and all you have to go through this whole thing or something like ridiculous, then obviously I'm not going to do it. But if it can be salvaged, depending on the time versus the cost of actually buying a new one, I may just end up buying a new one, but I'll look into trying to salvage it first, because a lot of these things on here I'm probably going to end up getting rid of anyway and trimming down the harness. Because like I said, this is pretty much going to be my race bike, so we'll see. So yeah, so next episode I'm just going to finish stripping the bike down, and eventually it's just going to be, the whole bike is just going to be in pieces. So it's going to be fun to see how this journey is going to end. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if you got any, suggestions. Are you familiar with the ZX14 and got any tips or anything like that? I'd love to hear it. Just leave in the comment section, and I'll be sure to check it and read everything. But yeah, this is going to be fun. I really look forward to getting this done. All right, guys and girls, check you later.